I really need myself a car so I can get some chicks, dude. I'm tired of walking,
You
man.
looking for a car? This car will give you chicks. Crazy, dog.
This one right here?
Yeah.
Alright, deal, man. I'm desperate, dude. I need it. Thanks. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get myself some chicks. Baby, wait till I show you the car that I got. It's awesome.
Yeah, that's a nice truck. Come on, let's go.
No, it's not the truck. It's this one over here. Look, let me show you. Come on. Look, I got a little Miata. You like it? Yeah. Let me get you in. Where you going?
My dad's helping us.
No, but wait. No. Wait, come back. It's a convertible. Dude. Tell me this car was gonna get me chicks. What happened?
What do you mean? There's chicks right next to you.
What? Oh. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back. It's been a really long time, but we've been working on some stuff behind the scenes. That's why I'm making this video. So I kind of want to update you guys on everything that we got going on, because I have like 4 different builds going on right now, 3 of which I'm not even filming or doing anything with. So just kind of want to update you guys on everything that's going on and just try to make weekly videos or daily videos, or just if I'm doing something really interesting that day, I'll make a video, and if not, then it'll be, for the next one. But try to upload more often and keep you guys in the loop, because I'm really bad at doing that. Anyways, yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna start right where we left off with the Miata. Obviously, it looks different from the last time you guys saw it in the last video, but I'm gonna take you guys back to the beginning and start where we left off, so you can kind of catch up to where we are now. Whoever does this to a car should have a car. If you haven't seen the last video, make sure to go back and check it out so you can understand why this Miata is in my shop. But yeah, this is a full trade-up project that I've been doing. We started with the Civic, then the Ranger, then we traded up, then we got the Miata. Anyways, let's cut to the chase. All right, so the first thing we did, which you saw from the intro, which was extremely necessary, was getting rid of those hideous over fenders. Second up, we have these hideous wheels that we have to get rid of. Then coming in the interior, remove these hideous Fast and the Furious style pedals. I don't know what the hell was going on here, because that needs a lot of... Figure out the audio issue with these 2 subs in the back. They don't work, they just kind of sit here and they look like crap, so kind of like to figure that out. Roll bars are meant to keep you safe in case you roll over. And then back here, I'd like to kind of figure out this whole exhaust system, because it sounds very, very bad. That's pretty much it from what I could tell from the outside. The car's pretty mint and drives all right. It did get a check engine light when we were driving back, so I gotta check that out. I think it's a mass airflow sensor, because it's idling a little high when you're at a stop. But the AC works, it's cold. That's pretty much it. We won't really know more about the car until we start tearing into it, so I'm gonna start doing that now, and I'll keep you guys updated with anything that I see. All right, so now we got Caden driving manual for his first time. Just pressing the clutch in, put it in first, and then let off the clutch a little bit as you give a little bit of gas. You gotta grab onto the steering wheel though. Oh, you gotta give it more. There you go. You got the basics, come on. Oh, okay. When you let go of the clutch, let go slow, like let it grab.
Okay.
Redo this, see how it feels. Let's see if maybe it feels a little better than that. We got the center console thing off now, and now you can really tell how badly worn out that thing is. It doesn't even have the boot on there. This is supposed to be connected to that, and it's not. We got the shifter out, and this thing was totally toasted. The bottom bushing gone, this top bushing gone, the metal pieces were gone. There was a whole bunch of like shavings and random crap in there. I got most of it out. All right, so we got the shifter back rebuilt. I was missing a bolt, so I kind of found that one, and it works. So we got it all built back together. It's looking good, shifting great, nice and tight now. So the Miata's been sitting in the shop for a little while now, because I've been trying to figure out why it's shutting off on me. Like, it'll be driving fine, and then all of a sudden, you give it gas and it'll shut off. I'll put a clip in it now to show you what it does. it's been doing that, so I've been trying to kind of figure it out. I thought it was because it has headers on it and this cheap ass eBay intake that they put on there, and it's literally sucking all the hot air. That shouldn't really be making the car shut off though. So then the other day I go to put gas in it, and I'm like, maybe put some fresh gas in it, and I see this. I'm like, oh, that's not too good. That's all clogged up. No water can get out. And then I open it, and I'm like, oh, no bueno. So my idea is all the water is filling up here because it's clogged, the drain. And it's going into the tank and filling that up too. So let's take out the fuel pump and see what it looks like in there. Oh yeah, that might be the issue right there. I don't know if you guys can see it from there, but that filter is dirty. All right, so yeah, check this out. Look at this filter. This thing is like all gunked up. Look at that. Yeah, you can definitely tell there was water in this gas tank, all the mold. All right, so as you can see, that tank is disgusting in there. I mean, you can tell it has new fuel in it, but from that line down, it's seen better days. Alright, so we got the rear end out on the car, and it's a little bit rough, but nothing a little bit of wire brush and paint can't fix. Finally, we get to remove the gas tank. God! So we lowered the rear subframe, got everything painted. It's looking better than what it used to. Put the new tank in, undercoated the whole car, down the tranny tunnel and everything. New fuel filter right there. I took out the transmission because I thought the clutch was bad. Sorry, not the clutch. I thought the throw-up bearing was bad, but it turns out that it's fine. So we took it out for no reason. Now we can put it back in. Oh yeah, the headers, we wrapped them. Me and my buddy Aldo helped me out. We got them all wrapped up. They're not the best or the prettiest, but it works. All right, so anyways, a little overview of what we got now so far. I color matched the paint because we're gonna be changing this fender, obviously, because it's dented in. So I'm not gonna be doing a full paint job on this because honestly, I'm tired of painting cars. Psych! And now we're working on the motor. We have the valve cover over there that we painted, and we're gonna work on painting all the other components to make it look a little bit better in here. All right, so far this is what we got done for today. Valve cover on the car now. I got the 3 bolts that I was missing. They're not exactly the same, but I just put them here on the spark plug rail so you can't really notice. We got this painted, we got the intake manifold painted, and this bottom timing cover painted as well. We got all of those mounted. I didn't make those wrinkle black because I wanted to have somewhat of a contrast between the valve cover and the rest of the motor. Radiator's painted, and this little coolant reservoir's painted too. It's kind of shitty and not the best, but it's what we got. Oh, and you might be wondering where the throttle body and the rest of the intake is. I took it off because I finally found this new gasket, which is what I was missing. So we're gonna clean all this gunk out of here and out of the throttle body. So hopefully that'll fix our high idle issue that we were having. Once we get this cleaned out, it's the next day now. We got the motor all built back together. We got the rest of the intake on there. I plugged these 2 holes, which is for the little resonator thing that was on the back. We got the throttle body back in. I already cleaned it up, and it's running a lot better. I just took it for a drive now. Yeah, this motor's looking million times better, and I haven't even cleaned it yet. I mean, all of this is still dirty. Yeah, now I'm gonna tackle these doors, see if I can fix the window regulator on this one. So we got this door card already taken apart. I took out the window and fixed the gasket so it's going up and down good now. But if you notice, when I go to bring it down, it's like moving backwards, and it's because that little guide in there is missing the wheel, so it's like super loose. So I'm gonna try to makeshift a wheel for that to make it work. Classes in session. Finished wet sanding and buffing the whole car, and I mean, for my first time, it's not that bad. There's some spots that, like, in the sun when you look at it, there's a little bit of swirls left. And I mean, it's just body work too that's not perfect, but hey, it's a good 10-footer. Yeah, we got everything buffed out. It's looking freaking good. All right, just finished getting it washed. We got the motor all detailed, looking good. This kind of chipped away when I was washing it, so I'm gonna try to paint that again. We also got the interior all cleaned up, and I changed the pedal pads. Just waiting on steering wheel. I'm not waiting on it, but I gotta get a steering wheel for it. I'm gonna either try to get a stock one or something else, because this is my OG one and I kind of want to keep this. What we got left is to change this window and the regulator, which I'm waiting for the regulator to get in so I can start doing that. Some bulbs that we're gonna go to the auto parts store and get now, and some trim paint that we need for these because I ran out. All right, we got the little headlight bezel things on. We got them all painted up, matte black, looking stock. And we also got the wing in the back installed, double-sided taped it, wet sand and buffed it. It's on there looking good. Dude, looking back now, looking at this car, this shit is looking pretty clean now. I mean, obviously from like where it came from to now, it's a big difference, but if it were mine or if I were to keep it, change the wheels, which I'm still gonna look for wheels. I mean, if someone trades me or if, I don't know, I end up getting a good deal on some wheels, I'll probably change them because these are, I just don't like them. So the Miata's been done for a couple of days now, kinda. We're still missing a few knickknacks and lick-lacks. I just finished.
Oh, he's shitting.
Something went down.
Shit right in the fucking pump holder.